Is it possible to find a really good, yet inexpensive selfie stick tripod for your smartphone? In this video, we're going to find out as I unbox and give this one a try from Vixseed. Hey there, I'm Kevin Colby, helping you do more with video. So the folks from Vixseed sent me this. Now, they are not sponsoring this video or paying for it, so everything I think about this will be my own thoughts. First of all, we got the box. And let's see what's inside. All right, so there's a case. It is a, not a very great case. It's kind of one of those cheap, you know, like, I don't know, is it vinyl? I don't know. All right, so let's see what we got in here. You got the manuals. Oh, a battery. I know why we have the battery. We'll talk about that in just a second. A couple of things you get with this is you get the remote. So this is actually one of the things that they have with it is it comes with a remote, and now you know why we have a battery. You can actually start your phone with it. This is a mount for this, and one of the things that I think is kind of interesting, oh, okay, that's the way it works. So I can't show you yet because I'm using the phone to shoot the unboxing. So this actually, I like this. A lot of other brackets, you know, there's screws and things like that. So this is very simple, looks nice and wide. They say on the website that it will even fit a phone with a case, which is good because I have a Moment case on my iPhone. There are 2 thread holes, so you can actually mount it this way where you would get like landscape, and then you can mount it on top like this where you would get vertical. One of the things I like are these thumb releases. I like this because it's just easy to do that, and it holds. Now this is attached. You can't take this off that I know of, but you can easily just rotate it down like this if you want to do like vertical, or you can put it up like that if you want to do landscape, and then you can actually just attach the bracket, I assume, like this. You get it like that, and then the phone goes in there like this. And then if you want to shoot vertical, you would actually need to, well, actually you would, there we go, you'd rotate it that way. All right, so here it is. As it is, very small, very lightweight. Now keep in mind, I've got the bracket on it right now. If I wanted to extend it, it's that easy. If I wanted to just kind of change the angle of it, it's that easy as well. Right now, I'm gonna leave it for landscape. So to undo the legs, it's that simple. I would recommend, depending on what you have on here, to extend them as much as possible. You can see it's very easy just to extend. I'm gonna leave it on here like this, and it's pretty much that easy. Huh, it's a little behind the scenes. Pretty much that easy to attach it. Fairly easy to put in, if you notice. And I've got the Moment case on my iPhone, which I actually love this case. So it does give it a little extra thickness, but look, that's just one hand, and it's tight. One of the things I have noticed is that, like some selfie sticks, if I wanted to use this as a selfie stick, I've got then to manually bend it. By the way, this is supposed to go to 5 feet 5 inches. So, you know, it's a tad taller or a tad shorter than me, if I do math. All right, I gotta be careful. I got a ceiling fan right there. So, that's pretty tall. And I don't even have the legs down. So now, just to show you how quickly you can put it together, or collapse it if you want to. And you take this and fold it down, tighten it up, and there you go. So, excuse me. So something I actually just discovered is it does come with a battery, and when I went to install the battery, check this out. It actually has a battery in it. So that's nice. I don't know how much these cost, but they're typically kind of a pain in the butt to get because they're not the typical battery. So you actually get an extra battery, which is really cool. I've already taken mine out of the little cardboard thing, so now I gotta find some place to put this. Okay, so if you remember, I mentioned it comes with a Bluetooth remote, little bitty remote. You hold that until the blue light comes on, and it's paired. You have to go into your settings and pair it. They give you the code to look for, and then it should work. So let's see. I think it just took a picture. So I'm gonna put it to video, and let's see if it fires it. It didn't. So I'm gonna hold it down, and it's saying it's paired. It started that time, so maybe I didn't have it connected. So right now, you're watching the video on my iPhone that I started with this remote. So, could you tell from my reaction? So this little thing is cool. So there you go. And I'm gonna stop it. So what I like about this is it's really, really lightweight. I mean, check this out. I could almost balance it like that. It is aluminum, so it doesn't take up a lot of weight. The thumb releases are really easy, but yet they feel secure. The legs went out further than I thought. It does come with the bracket, which is it's just super easy to pop your phone on. I do like it that it goes wide enough that I can put my iPhone on it with the Moment case. I think that's huge. It has the 2 different thread holes and the remote. The remote works and you get an extra battery, which may not seem like a lot, but that's one less thing I gotta go to the hardware store for. Now, what I don't like about it is, first of all, the case. The case is just that cheap vinyl. There's no way I would use it at all, and you know, maybe if you wanted to just carry it with you to keep it clean, but I wouldn't put any weight in there. The bracket, while it's nice, is kind of a pain to put on. I wish there were some kind of quick release thing rather than the screw on and then the tighten and stuff like that, so there was an easier way to turn this to either sideways or not. Huge miss for me is there's no cold shoe. So I can't put a microphone on here unless I glue something on here or something like that. And even though the remote comes with it and has this strap, it would be really nice if there was a way to attach it to this. There's my take on it. Overall, I gotta say I'm fairly impressed. Now, I will say this, I would never ever put my big cameras on this. I wouldn't trust it, but for a smartphone, I think it would be fine. If you're interested in checking it out, there is a link down in the description, and a lot of times they run specials too, but I mean, as of right now, it's like 38, 39 bucks. That's not a bad deal.